Manipur reported 7 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 78 today. Now the number of active cases stand at 67 after 11 have been recovered and discharged in the state. According to Dr. Sashikumar Mangang, Additional Director and Spokesperson of Health Department Manipur, last night 4 persons were confirmed as COVID-19 positive cases at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory VRDL JNIMS. The 2 patients aged 17 and 26 years are from Senapati district who are Chennai returnees, while the remaining 2, both aged 18 years, are from Bishnupur district who are Uttar Pradesh returnees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a meeting of the Union Cabinet today as the country entered the first day of the centre's 3-phased unlocking plan throughout the country, as per a media report. This will also be the first meeting of the Union Cabinet as the central government entered into its second year in the office. During the meeting, several important decisions are expected to be announced, according to officials. India recorded highest spike in coronavirus cases this morning with 8,392 fresh cases of infections in 24 hours. According to media reports, with over 8,000 new COVID-19 cases, India's case tally surges past the 1.9 lakh mark. Ending this morning, the death toll due to COVID-19 in India climbed to 5,394 with 230 deaths in 24 hours. In all, 35 bird traps and 23 live birds were recovered from different parts of THOUBAL district during anti-poaching drive yesterday. The drive was carried out by a combined team of Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWLPC Manipur, Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur, Yening Animal Foundation YAF Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity, and THOUBAL police personnel. With the announcement of Unlock 1 from today, the central government is contemplating reopening of schools from July. As per media reports, amid this development, a group has started an online petition against the move. Members of the group, called Parents Association, said they will not send their children to school unless government declares 0 COVID-19 cases or till a vaccine is available. Residents under Kongjong police station in THOUBAL district disposed of a large quantity of seized betel leaves at dumping site at THOUBAL Kuno following an order from the Chief Judicial Magistrate THOUBAL yesterday. The central government has hiked the price of LPG cylinders today, day 1 of Unlock 1. The hike came after 3 months of consecutive rate cuts. According to media reports, for the month of June 2020, there has been an increase in international prices of LPG. At least 1,436 people stranded in Delhi and other North Indian states returned to Mizoram yesterday. An official statement issued this morning said the stranded people arrived at Bairabi railway station on the Mizoram-Assam border around 12:30 am today. Assam registered 22 more COVID-19 positive cases today. With this, the total tally has mounted to 1,361. Among the 22 new cases, 14 are from Dibrugarh, 4 from Dhemaji, 3 from Tinsukia and 1 from Charaideo, as per media reports. However, 185 persons have so far recovered from the virus and were discharged from various hospitals across the state. As the standoff with China continues for the 26th day, trucks carrying soldiers, machines and supplies continue to make their way to Galwan Valley. According to media reports, the shifting of troops from LOC to LAC happens under dire circumstances, and the command and corps levels, there are uncommitted reserves that can be moved without impacting operations on the ground. These troops are being sent in location to create some pressure on the PLA via road and air. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) today said that southwest monsoon has set in over Kerala. During the next 24 hours, conditions are becoming favorable for further advancement of southwest monsoon into some more parts of South Arabian Sea, Maldives Comorin area, southwest and southeast Bay of Bengal, it said.